In this example, we're going to use an ERC 1155 prefab. So under Web3 Unity, prefabs, we'll go to ERC 1155, and in this example, we're going to get the balance of a token. So to use this, I'm going to drag it into the scene, go to console, click play, and it should print out 1. So where is this coming from? Well, it's coming from an existing marketplace. So if I double click the script here, this information is being connected to the OpenSea testnet marketplace. So to connect it, all we have to do is fill in the blank here. So the first is the chain. So we have Ethereum. We also have different EVMs we can connect to. So if you look at documentation, we have supported blockchains. Ethereum is one of them. Next is the network, Rinkeby. So in here we have the list mainnet Ropsten Rinkeby. And to verify for this testnet one, this is also connected to Rinkeby. Right here. Next is the contract. So 0x88, 0x88 being copy pasted. The account, this is my MetaMask account, and the token ID 986 986. Next, you do ERC 1155.balance of. You pass in all of this information. This is also in the documentation, and you can print out the balance. So that's how it's done.